Okay, today I'm going to show you how to earn money online. Just click the link below this and I will show you how to earn with Probucks. After you click the link below this video, register to Probucks. Click register. After you register, you will go to this page, then type your username, for example, money 77. Then after that, your password, your email at blah blah.com, then your birth year, example 1994. Then after that, the referrer, in the referrer you will write Eric 77777 57. Then write the prove if you're not a robot. This is a security feature of Probucks to prevent the website to be hacked. AHOZI. After you did this, then create account. After you create account, go to your email address, then you call it, confirm your username and password of Probucks. After you confirm, then we can log in. Write your username, then password, then log in. Now I will show you how to earn money with Probucks. As you can see, there is 0.25 cents in my account. I've been using this for 1 week, and then I rented at least 6 referral. Then this is how I earn. Click view ads, then click the colored ads, then just view it for at least 5 seconds. How do you withdraw your money with Probucks? Simple. If you have an account with PayPal or Paysa, you can withdraw. Then after that, the advertisement validated, you've just been credited 0.001 cents. Then click another, and after that you can close your, after you view that, you can close the tab, and the credit will be credited to your balance. The minimum payout with Probucks is 5 cents. After that, just refresh the page, and boom, you earn money without any investment with Probucks. Then you can check the advertisement tomorrow. The advertisement is, all the advertisement is colored, then you can click that. At least every day you do this, you will earn money. Then that's all. Thank you. You can log out your Probucks.